As the day drew to an end, so began the journey of those who have been selected to represent the Upangolo district at provincial level in their respective sporting codes. Testament to the strides made by the forward thinking of the Upangolo municipality, one of the footballers spotted at the tournament was selected to train with the Kaizer Chiefs multi-choice discus squad camp for a week.
If you have programs like this, they actually pave the way for novices who probably don't even know how does one become a professional player or a professional personnel. But through this kind of programs, they've been groomed and they'll probably learn through good coaching, and it will yield better results.
Once people start to understand you once lived a good, respectable life, so people will always want to find out how did you make it, because they will also want to make it. So by doing that, I think it will help them to be motivated, or to have this self-motivation that will drive them to become better than what we have achieved.
These are our young people. We are investing in their future. And we cannot be apologetic on that, because we want to make them better people tomorrow. So we want them also to appreciate the programs of the municipality in making them better people, and in making them also fighting poverty, and also eradicating drugs in our society, creating a disciplined society.
What can say out of all this today's tournament, we are very grateful with the coordination. We were very much coordinated. We are grateful to the team, the organizers, Mr. Ndimande, and of course Prince Africa. He played a very much important role. So we are very much grateful. We are hoping and we are certain that 2 years to come, maybe we may not see the result now, but we are certain that 2 years to come, Upangolo will not be the same in economic development and sporting development. Also, again, on the social side, because it's a program, it's not a once-off thing. So we'll be monitoring it and on monthly basis. Yeah. So we are hoping that we will get there. We will get there.